I'm Bethany, and then...
Hi, sorry. 400 amusement parks exist in the United States, and most of them are in California.
But many of them just couldn't find their footing and have been left in decay. Today, we plan on exploring the abandoned rock.
Wait, are you saying this place is abandoned? Mm-hmm. Nice. Short lines.
Well, I also think that means that nothing is going to be working either. Anyway, what was once the fun spot of the desert is now maybe more popular closed than it was opened.
It's the Hoola water park coming up on Out of the Odysseys.
Where'd you even get that?
I'll just put it back in the car. Since there are no slides.
I don't know why they would put an amusement park out here.
In the middle of the desert. Seems like a silly idea. From Barstow, California, take the 15 north and exit at Mineola Road. Turn right and then left onto Yermo Road. After 3 miles, turn left at Coyote Lake Road. And after crossing the freeway, the abandoned park will be about 2 miles down on the left. I think that's it right there.
Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff up there.
Yeah. You see anybody in there today?
I couldn't really see anything. This means we won't have to pay for parking.
It does mean that.
Oh, we could get in there, I guess.
Oh wow, this is narrow. There it is.
Back way.
We could just drive through the park.
Right.
We probably could get through there.
You see anyone?
Nope. This looks like a good entrance to me.
Sure.
All the palm trees without tops on them are a little creepy.
Yeah.
Wonder what happened to them.
Very significant of how the water park is now.
Yeah.
They fit in very well here.
Yeah.
Hi, welcome to the water park. So the Hoola Water Park was originally named the Lake Dolores Water Park.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
Yeah, its namesake was local businessman Bob Byer's wife, Dolores.
Lake Dolores was a 273-acre man-made lake interconnected by ponds and channels. It was only a few feet deep and fed from an underground spring.
In 1962, Byers opened the property to the public as a watering hole and haven from the heat for off-road motorcyclists and tourists traveling between LA and Vegas.
Over the next 2 decades, attractions and rides were added, including Big Bopper and the Zip Cord, and the humble lake became known as the fun spot of the desert.
Hard times fell upon the water park, and after several different owners, renovations, and attempts to draw in crowds, the park closed for good in 2004. This might have been the arcade.
Yeah, I feel like this was the arcade. It looks familiar from the pictures.
Water park.
Water park.
This place was renovated in 1998 into a Route 66 theme, although it's hard to tell with the decor.
Definitely.
I guess I can just go right in.
Walk through the turnstiles or whatever they had back then.
Walk through and then you saw the glorious water park.
Suppose this was a fountain?
I imagine.
Wonder what they served here.
They're closed.
I'd really like a snow cone or like a funnel cake right now.
Oh, that sounds good. This place did go through a lot of owners, I hear. Everyone trying to redo it to the next level.
Yeah, it had a number of different names throughout its operational period. Hoola Water Park, of course, Lake Dolores, and Discover Water Park was another name for it.
Interesting.
Yeah. Oh, look, it's the lazy river. We've got to walk over the lazy river.
There's no water.
Oh, you found a slide. You found a slide that's still here. Yeah. You can do it.
This is quite painful.
I imagine. There's no water in it.
There's no water. And it burns. Where's the pool?
Good
I'm
job.
not. No, that one is.
You've got one more to do.
You're devious.
This one's a little steeper. You might have.
It is. Whee.
Hey, it works. Oh my gosh. I guess it's my turn to go down the slide, yeah?
I tried 2 slides, so I think it's only fair.
All right, orange or gray?
Orange. This is your water park experience. Burns, doesn't it? Use your butt.
This is unsanitary. I'm gonna sue this place.
I think that's what happened the last
Their
time.
slides suck.
How'd that feel?
Splash.
Did you have some fun? I know, right? That would feel so nice right now.
How's my rear end?
Okay, that's good.
Oh, okay.
But there are still some slides here. That's cool.
This area looks like it was for maybe younger kids
Yeah.
because the slides aren't very steep. And the pools are only 1.5 feet deep, as you can see around the edge here. Ooh, what did you find?
A door. And some stairs.
Now we're going underneath the kiddie pool area.
Watch out. Water and stuff over there.
Oh, is it super muddy?
Oh, tanks. This is where all the water's at.
So, infrastructure for the water, I'm sure.
It was a nice, refreshing water at one point.
Yeah.
Here's another cute little bridge
Yep, over the lazy river.
over the lazy river.
That means we're kind of on an island right here.
Yeah. Can you imagine coming through here with your boats and the tube?
Your
and
big
all that
inner
stuff?
tube and just floating on down the river in the middle of the desert. Yeah, would have been interesting. This is where the crazy slides let out.
Oh.
You see the little troughs at the end?
Yeah.
So they'd go down the slides, which are all up on those hills right there, and they would fly out into this pool and land here.
It's not very deep.
Yeah, or long. I mean, I guess it would slow them down pretty quick once they landed, but it's only 2.5 feet deep.
The final nail in the coffin for this place was in 2004 when an employee after hours went down one of the slides and ended up being injured. So with the settlement from that, basically the water park could just never come back from it. We don't have to wait in line, I guess.
You are the first in line for a very rough ride down the hill.
Oh, goody.
All right, you're up. Tuck and roll.
I don't even get a floaty? That's messed up.
Bye.
See ya. Ah!
Oh, good thing it stops right
I
here.
didn't see that the thing stopped, and I really, for a second, thought that
I
maybe
was killing
something
myself.
bad was happening.
So if you look out there, you can see the actual lake itself, Lake Dolores.
Oh, yeah.
There's that big space out there. And over here, they had like a campsite, I think. This was one of the long straight slides. There's a long pool at the bottom there where you would land, and another one over here, which no doubt began up there. This was a structure that held up a giant slide.
Although when the water park closed, they did ship off the best slides to Canada.
Right, the Big Bopper was one of them.
Yeah. So they are still being enjoyed somewhere.
These towers do go all the way down the hill here.
Could see how it curves.
Yeah, whatever was up there went all the way down the hill and ended in that pool right there.
I do feel a little geographically challenged with the amusement park layout.
Yeah.
Because all the renovations and everything over the years, it's hard to pinpoint exactly what was what.
Right.
Poor little amusement park.
Yeah, I bet it was really nice when it was up and running. Heck, I might have come here and hung out for a day.
The Hoola Water Park, a place once bursting with floaties, sunscreen, and those looking for a way to beat the heat, now sits in ruins.
The Mojave sun is unrelenting, so while a water park in the middle of the desert might sound like a good idea, this time it just wasn't meant to be.
To stay caught up in our adventures, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon.
And don't try and slide down a water slide with no water in it. It's just don't. Bad idea. We'll see you next time.
Yeah, good luck getting out of there.
Oh, Jesus.
This thing hurts.
Whew.
This was our friend. He had to endure today with us,
Samuel the Swan.
Samuel Swan. Well, we named the drone Samuel. So this is Samuel Jr.
They're all named Samuel.
Yeah, that's easy to remember.
If something needs a name, the name is Samuel. What would you prefer we had named the swan?
I thought it was a girl,
Oh, Samantha.
Samantha. I think the heat is making us delirious.
We could use a water park right about now, but alas, the only one here is abandoned.